So, new update. My two oldest sons decided to do a little work on the truck today and finish the cleanup on it. They cleaned out the bed, took everything out of the interior, wiped the dash down, which came out surprisingly good. Really good, except for, I still got a couple cracks there. Took the old seat cover off. There are mice in here and mold and stuff, so it had to come out. But yeah, they did a really good job on all of this. The back of the seat had been completely black with mold. So just kind of an initial cleanup, make the truck usable, because the first goal is going to be to get it drivable with some brake work and some new tires, and then just kind of slowly fix it up from there. Probably floors and interior first, body will be last. So, but just a quick update. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.